Hello my lovers, today I have the freezer molds with lid for storing and freezing food. This is from Mossime. So this is the name of the website, Mossime, Mossime. You know me, you guys. This is a silicone freezer mold, 1 cup. Freezer with lids, 4-pack, easy release, all that good stuff. And these are the it can contain up to 250 mils, and these are part of the colors they have. Look at that. So I chose the blue yellow to review, and then we'll have the blue purple if you want, guys. And guess what? It's actually $19.99 for 4 whole packs. Can you imagine? It is so nice. Product dimension, the measurement is about 6 inches length, 6 inches wide, and 3 inches height. Apparently it's suitable for ovens, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher. Alright, you guys, check out everything on my description box, and also the link will be in my description box. Another thing they say about the lid is that without the lid, this can stand up to how many degrees Celsius. It can stand up to 230 degrees Celsius without the cover. So you guys watch out for that. I love this. It's very soft on the bottom. Look, you have your measurement on the inside. 125 mils. Now, let me go look for stuff to freeze up, and I will be back later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so I'll be pouring my stew as a Nigerian and bitter leaf soup in there. And then we'll see how long, it will take to freeze and all that stuff. And as a travel nurse, I think this is really very important and useful. It's going to be very useful for me, especially when it comes to this portable stuff like this, because it's very portable, guys. Freeze it, put it in my flight, go on my 3 days 3-day schedule or whatnot, and guess what? Hopefully it holds up the freeze and all that. You guys try jollof rice, try Nigerian food, you're gonna love it. These are your bitter leaf soups. You guys can just easily make your fufu and down it down. We call it ofe onugu. So it didn't spill as much. If you can tighten it very well, it didn't spill. It didn't spill at all. And straight to my deep freezer. And I'll check on it later this afternoon. It is 9:20, and then we'll come back later. Stay tuned. This is 2:30 p.m. Let's see what we got. Voila! That's the stew, and that's the soup. Now, how easily is it gonna slide out? See? Molded it into a cube. Look at that. Very nice. Oh my goodness. This is so much easier. I didn't want the video too long. I would have tried and bake something in the oven or warm something in the oven. Let's see if it will melt or not. Guys, check them out. Seriously, look at that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't, please like, subscribe, ask your questions, and ask the company. Please reach out to them. This is really affordable, guys. Reach out, place your orders. Check the link in my description box, like I said, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.